one of the first things you have to do if you want to be successful in affiliate marketing is to build a list. And I'm sure you've heard this before, okay? You absolutely have to build a list if you want to be successful in affiliate marketing, okay? The main reason you want to build a list is once you have a list of subscribers, you can continually promote affiliate products to them. You could promote affiliate products to them every day if you wanted to. If you do it right and then you don't spam your list, you could actually promote products every day and your list will love you for it. I mean, that's what I do. Okay. Now, first, okay, so if you want to build a list, you have to have a squeeze page or a landing page, which is a page that your potential leads would first visit, and that is where they are offered a free gift, and they would fill in their information on an opt-in form. Okay, so to build a squeeze page, there are many tools out there. You could just go on YouTube as well. There's some free video tutorials, and you could also purchase software such as ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, and Optimize Press. Those are the main ones, or at least the top of my head. And I'm sure there's a lot of other tools that are cheaper, but these three tools are probably one of the most expensive. Actually, I'm not sure about Optimize Press, but I know with ClickFunnels and Lead Pages, they are pretty expensive. I use ClickFunnels, and it is very easy to build a professional looking squeeze page with ClickFunnels. Okay, and another thing you want to do is you have to have an autoresponder when you are building a list. An autoresponder is a software tool that you use to collect a database of your subscribers, and it'll also automatically send emails to your subscribers. Okay, and you could also send messages whenever you're promoting products to all your subscribers using an autoresponder. The top ones out there are GetResponse and Aweber, and there are a few others that are pretty good. I highly recommend GetResponse though. Okay, so with that said, I'll see you in the next video.